Hello, if you want to have a contact form like this or like this, you can do that with Zigaform Wordpress plugin. So once the plugin is installed, so you can create, just go to add new form button, then add the title, the contact form, then we can add the hidden field. There it is. This will be our contact form, center. Then we can add a text box. This will be our name. So the label will be name too. This will have a validation. So in this case, just a require. Then we can add another text box. This will be the email, and the label will be email too. Then we will add email validation. That's it. Then I will add a text area for our contact form. This will be the comments. The label will be comments. There it is. And I will add a select list field. For example, this will be subject. Subject. Then I will add just some options. Subject 1, subject 2, subject 3, and that's it. Then at the end, we will add a submit button. There it is. This will be sent. No? We can change the font on here, center, and that's it. Also, we can add grids, column grids. For example, here I will add a 2-column grid. So you can drag then inside a column grid. Then also we can add another grid. So we can add on here. We can drag this on here. Also, we can just give some format on here. For example, we can put on that. This other format. There it is. So you can see we can do the same for all the fields. There it is. Now we can just add a background color. There it is. And then we need to just change that color on here. There it is. We will change the color too. We'll change the color on here. Also on here. Also on here. There it is. That's it. Then we can add our settings for the mail. The mail settings. You can add your own shortcuts from here. By default, it comes with a shortcut that show all the summary, all the information, just using this shortcut that comes by default. Or you can just add your own shortcuts. For example, here, name, email, comments, subject, and I will just copy the shortcut, or we can get the shortcut on here. It's the same. It's the same. Name, the email, the comments, the subject. There it is. Also, we can just copy this, and also we can enable the mail notification for the customer, and we need to choose the recipient mail for the customer, and we can add the same information here. You can see on mail notification for the customer. There it is. Also, this is the success message. We can add, if we want, we can add the success message here. There it is. This can be our success message. Let me check. We will delete this. There it is. Also, we can just here customize our records. The record information, and that's it. Here's some settings that you can check. You can add additional CSS or JavaScript, and that's it for our form. So let's save. Then you can see the shortcut is shown. Also, you can see the shortcut on here on the list of the form. You can get shortcut, and you can get a shortcut on here. Then you can check the preview of the form on here inside the edition panel, or you just go create a page or post. For example, here I'm gonna edit this content. There it is. Gonna update preview. I'm gonna check this. There it is. So if we press the submit button, so these validations are shown. So you have to put the information here, and there it is. Some comment, subject, send information. There it is. So you can see the success message is shown here. You can see the information, the name, the mail, the comments, the subject. So you can add any content on here. So it depends of what content you add here. So it supports any HTML content. So it's up to you. Also, you can see the mail message is sent here. The mail message for the admin, you can see here. Also, this is the mail message for the customer. You can see here. Do you remember we added this text, mail notification for customer? And you can see here is showing all our shortcuts that we have added on previous. So you can see it's showing fine. Also, if we go, if we can check the records on here. So you can see here, this is the record. Also we can check here, filter the record, here the information, show the detail. There it is. So you can see this is record information. So this is our customized content that we have added. Also here some user information. So that's it. Thanks for your attention.